Morning scrappers, welcome back to another scrappy video. The weather is against us. At the back here though, I have some stuff from my scrapper mate, the micro scrapper. So he's got some microwave shells. These PCs are from my storage unit, but these microwave shells and the stuff in it is his. There's some decent insides here. There's rims also in this stack. Over here we're empty, but let's go out there and see what we can find. Hopefully the weather allows us. I don't know, we'll see how we go. Okay scrappers, this is the first. Ooh. Take this guy. Maybe this barbecue. I don't really like barbecues lately. They make a mess, man. Cost me time. Yep. Pass. Yes. Piece plastic. Yeah. What's that? No. What is this? Plastic? Plastic. What is this? Rubbish. There's a pan on the bottom. Come on, man. Oh, this is ours. For sure. Let's go. Yeah, not that one. Let's go. Yo. This guy too. What's this? No. Hey. Oh no. You know what? Oh, they cut this off as well. Okay, we got him, this, and a little bit here. Let's go. Oh, what about this? What am I kidding? I got no space. Let's go. Okay guys, I didn't even notice this. Look at that. We can save this.